Cold emailing can be daunting task, especially when just starting out in the industry. I remember those days. I was manually crafting each email using just my Gmail account without any personalization beyond the recipient's name. If I remember to include it, I think I have hundreds of email that was wrong name in it. It was exhausting, time-consuming, and about as effective as trying to jump to the moon. I have decided that I'm too lazy for that and started searching for the tools. There are like a ton of them, like literally. None of them are the same, but quite similar. None of the best or the worst, you just need to find which one you need. One I would like to share with you today is Instantly.io. The first time I came into it, it was during my search for help with the email warm-up. It was one of the top results you find on the YouTube. And some guy enthusiastically described how great and awesome this tool was. Naturally, I'm quite skeptical about this thing, so my initial reaction was like, yeah, right, too good to be true. Despite my doubts, I decided to explore further. The positive reviews, practical demonstration, all of that caught my attention. I wasn't in position to overlook any potential solutions to help me. But before we delve into the details, let me quickly ask you, do you know really what warm-up means? Let's talk about the warm-up at all. So imagine you're trying to send out a bunch of cold emails to potential clients or customers. You are excited, inbox is about to explode with replies. Guess what? Most of your emails end up in the spam. That's where email warm-up comes in to the rescue. Email warm-up is like introducing yourself slowly to the email gods like Gmail, Outlook, or any other email service provider. Instead of bombarding them with a ton of emails all at once, that's exactly what I did in my previous attempts. Warm-up involves sending a few emails at a time to a small group of recipients. Even better if you get some answer from them. And you can ask why exactly we need to do that. Here's the deal. Email providers, like cautious bouncers at the party, they just need to trust you before they can let you in. By gradually sending and getting emails, you are showing them that you're legit, you're a non-spammer, you're a true person. And with that, you increase your chances of landing in the precise inbox of your client. Trust me, I learned it that hard way. My rookie mistake? I was sending a massive bunch of emails each day without any warm-up. It was like hundreds per day. Let's just say my emails finished all of them in the spam folder and I was not invited to that perfect party. What exactly happened in the Instantly when you turn on the warm-up? Platform has its own pool of emails that interact with each other in simulated and natural manner. Picture this, a virtual world where all the emails sending and receiving in just simple text or maybe some pictures, just usual friendly conversation. All of that happens like in real life, but any kind of human intervention. Main aspects of that system is first one, diversity. Instantly creates a diverse interaction among all of that virtual emails. Different senders, receivers, texts, even sometimes are simulated to mimic the randomness and the authenticity of the real email exchange. Second one is a natural flow. The communication pattern is intentionally designed to appear as a natural, as no exact time, no exact day, just everything genuine and organic. And that's what email service providers really like. And the simulation of the life, of social life, is the third aspect. It's like creating the perfect simulation of bustling social life in the email world. All automated, optimized to create and improve your reputation as the email sender. Within the platform, you will see the process works seamlessly. It's almost like having a team of virtual email ambassadors that take care about your reputation. They work 24/7 and increase your credibility.